Hello, and welcome to this Ionic Mobile Application Development course. My name is Hunter Lehman, and I'm an entrepreneur with a passion for web development and design. And I'll be guiding you through the process of rapid prototyping, a data-driven stock market application. We're going to build a full Ionic mobile app from start to finish, implementing every functionality from the ground up in clearly explained code. This course will change the way you look at web and mobile development. It has been designed to supercharge your programming career with the knowledge and skills critical to the web and mobile apps industries of today. Sounds exciting, right? Let's get started. First things first, congratulations! Starting a Udemy course is a great first step towards gaining the skills required to stay on top of your code game. You're joining a vibrant community of millions of ambitious students just like yourself, and we're honored and happy to provide you these valuable skills along this exciting journey. This course will cover a range of subjects aimed at helping you create a simple and understandable, yet powerful and highly performing hybrid mobile app using easy-to-learn web technologies, including HTML5, CSS3, JavaScript, AngularJS, the mother of all single-page application frameworks, and Ionic, a beautiful open-source front-end SDK that brings everything together. So, what is Ionic? And what exactly is a single-page application? Well, those are very good questions. But first, let me establish the current context of web development technology, and then we'll talk about how Ionic fits into the mix. Web development technologies have evolved at an incredible rate over the past few years. Significant increases in mobile browser rendering speeds made it easier than ever before to build high-quality applications with just HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. While these advances have been great, they are only just now starting to reach a maturity level fit for mobile platforms. For years, mobile rendering speeds were atrocious, and the modal view controller frameworks and UI libraries provided by native iOS and Android application development environments were far superior to writing mobile apps using web technologies. Hybrid applications were once mocked by native app developers for being clunky and ugly, for their then subpar performance and having no significant advantages over native apps. While those may have been valid reasons in 2011, they're now totally baseless, thanks to a collection of new technologies that have emerged over the years. With these new technologies, you can design, build, and deploy robust mobile apps faster than you ever could with native technologies, all while incurring little to no app performance penalties, thanks largely to mobile browser rendering speeds and better JavaScript performance. This course is designed to teach you how to effectively use these new technologies to build insanely fast and feature-rich mobile apps. And the Ionic framework is the key. Building hybrid apps used to be a chore. Not because it was hard to build web pages, but because it was hard to build full-featured web applications that could measure up with native apps. With AngularJS, that's all changed. And as a result, Angular became the core innovation that made hybrid apps successful. The awesome folks at Drifty were some of the first to realize this, and subsequently created the Ionic framework to bridge the gap between AngularJS web apps and hybrid mobile apps. Since launching in 2013, the Ionic framework has quickly grown in popularity amongst developers, and their main GitHub repo has almost 20,000 stars. Bottom line, Ionic is a great solution for creating robust mobile web apps and native apps for multiple platforms quickly. While every framework-centered course is unique in its own right, this Ionic framework course will naturally introduce many of the key paradigms that make Ionic and Angular so awesome, without wasting time working on contrived examples. After getting all excited about sharing all those great features with you, our final check was to Google Trend Search stock market app to see if demand is on the rise. And guess what? There has never been such a high demand for these apps and individuals with the skills to manage them. That's why we chose to build a stock market app. And in order to do so, you must master and implement a lot of diverse functionalities and features, including dynamic data retrieval from multiple APIs, interactive data-driven charting, note-taking, user registration, searching, and more. No doubt the stars have aligned for us. Because we cover a lot of concepts in this course, you'll be able to build many other apps of almost any kind. And this is only the tip of the iceberg. Hybrid mobile apps are here to stay. And with Ionic at the forefront, the best thing you can do today is equip yourself with the industry-leading skills to be a pioneer in the many fields to which they can be applied.